So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab. Now if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now open the cloud console incognito window. Now sometimes it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Another important thing is that if it asks to click on I understand and agree and continue, just agree the terms and conditions. Now after that we'll move ahead to the next step. From here, what we need to do, we need to navigate to the Vertex CI. So from the navigation menu, you have to just scroll down and find out the Vertex CI like this and click on the dashboard. You have to just click on the dashboard and wait for the page to open. Now once the page is loaded, first step is that we have to enable all the recommended APIs. I repeat, do not move ahead until you enable all the recommended APIs. Once the APIs are enabled, it won't show like APIs are enabled. It will just take some time and update. Now just click on the workbench. First of all, you need to enable the API, then click on the workbench. Now here basically we have to create a notebook. Now make sure you are in the instance tab. On the top you can see instance and instances only, not on user manage notebook. Now click on create new, and now for the name and region and zone, check the lab instruction. Name is same as they have not updated, but if it gets updated you have to check from the lab instruction like this only, copy carefully. Now the region and zone are different for me, it will be different for you too. So you have to just select like this. Now here zone can be anything like A, B, C, D. You have to just select as per the lab instruction. Now make sure to check any other modification is needed or not. So here it is not needed. So we are just creating it. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. One more important thing I wanted to say, that many times what happens, sometimes the files are not visible on the Jupyter Lab. Although I have made a separate video, but I am telling in each video because you are doing this video and it will become little bit difficult to navigate. So what you need to do, you need to just click on this checkbox and then just reset the notebook. Reset only when this issue persists. First check the Jupyter Lab. As I am doing, you have to do completely, and if you face any issue, you have to just repeat the same steps. Now this notebook creation may take at least 3 to 5 minutes, so you need to wait for it. Sometimes it is created early also, depending on the network of your, not of your network, basically network based on the cloud. Now we have to do one thing, we have to open the Jupyter Lab. Here how you have to reset I have shown you. Now we have to open the Jupyter Lab. Okay, click on open Jupyter Lab. Now sometimes what happens, the page does not load or you get any unnecessary error, so you have to come back again and click on open Jupyter Lab. Now wait for the lab to open. Meanwhile, in case you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Here just wait for a few more minutes. Finally the Jupyter notebook is ready. Now we have to click on this Python 3 notebook. As you can see on the notebooks page, there is Python 3. So if you are following the way I am doing, you will definitely get a score, but you need to pay attention to all the steps whichever I do. So now first thing is that we have to just wait for a few seconds and click on the Python 3. Now here wait for a few seconds. So finally a new notebook the notebook is now ready. Now we have to clone the repository and files to our Jupyter notebook. So for that, what we need to do, we need to come back to the lab instructions on task number 2. Basically we have to clone the repository. So from here, copy the repository. Now once we have pasted like this and paste over here, just click on this play button and wait till all the files are downloaded here. It may take up to 5 to 10 seconds, so wait for it. Finally all files are being downloaded, and yes, this is the last one, and all things are downloaded. Now we have to navigate throughout the folder and open the file which we will be executing for this lab. No need to worry about this task, I will help you. Now here just follow the method. Here basically we have to open the machine learning folder. First we open the data analyst and courses. Now here you have to just navigate to the machine learning. You have to just come over here. Let me show you. It's just below only. That is machine learning. Okay. Now here deep dive 2. Now the main thing is that future engineering. Click on labs. And now we have to modify which file I am showing you. This one. Okay. If you want to view, you can view it also like this. So here basically we are modifying this file. So first of all click on this plus and open the terminal. Now in the description box of this video I have shared one GitHub repository. You have to click over it and just come back to your terminal and paste over here. Now wait for 2 to 3 seconds and once it's done we will move forward to the next step. So what you have to do, you have to just open the file again and we have to select other kernel. As per the lab instruction, it TensorFlow. Sometimes it changes to Python, so always check the lab for it. And even if you don't check, I will make this video. No need to worry about it if you are following the video. Now kernel is currently disconnected. Wait for the kernel to get connected. Once it is connected, we will move forward to the running of all the shells. So wait for the kernel to get idle. You can see these are the tasks which we have to complete. You can even read the code structure also if you want. Now the kernel is idle. Now let's run each step one by one. How you have to run? You have to just press this play button like we did for previous task. Again, install the packages. Now wait for this to complete. Basically how you will find in the shell the number will be visible like 1 2 3. Also the kernel you can see just next to the circle it is filled. It will become empty like white circle. Let me show you how. As you all know the kernel status I have shown previously, it was idle. Like this it will become. So wait for it to complete, then we will run all the shells together. I will show you how you can run all the shells together in one go. Meanwhile, in case you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Also comment down which labs you need. So finally, you can see it was filled. Now it has been cleared. Now here click on run selected cells and all below. Basically you have to click on any shells and just click on run selected cells and all below. It will take some time, so wait for it. Once the kernel status goes idle, we'll be done with the lab. Now here basically the kernel is running. Do not make sure your internet is connected and laptop does not go on sleep. Make sure this video is running and once all the tasks are executed, you will be able to complete this lab. This lab duration is a little bit lengthy, but the way I have solved it, it will become easier for you to complete. I hope you are enjoying and you can check the playlist and description for other skill patches and courses if you are a part of this program. And also you can want to join the Salesforce developer program, you can check it. Now let's check the score for all the remaining tasks. You will definitely get the score if you follow the way. Now sometimes what happens, the checkpoint does not update the score. In such cases you need to reload the browser and check the score. So that's how we completed the lab. I hope you have enjoyed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.